Struggling putting your eye drops into your eyes? Always finding that the drops never drop directly into the eye and you keep missing? Frustrated? We have the perfect solution, EziDrops. EziDrops is a simple-to-use eye care applicator that helps you put eye drops into your eyes first time, every time, right into the centre of your eye. And the clever part is, you don't even see the drop coming. Here's how EziDrops works. First, sit down on a chair, or for some people, it might help to lie down. Hold the EziDrops applicator by the handle and turn it upside down. Put the bottle's nozzle directly into the centre of the EziDrops applicator. Now raise both the bottle and applicator onto the eye. Tilt your head back until the applicator is horizontally flat upon your eye. Looking directly up at the ceiling and with both eyes, open gently, squeeze the bottle to release a drop. Once you feel the drop fall into your eye, remove the applicator and wipe off any excess liquid. Getting fast, effective relief is that easy. No mess, first time, every time. It's also just as easy to help a loved one put drops in their eyes, like a child or an elderly individual. Have the individual sit or lie down. Pick up the EziDrops applicator and turn it upside down, and place the nozzle of the bottle into the EziDrops applicator. Ask the individual to look directly up at the ceiling. Gently place the bottle and applicator onto the eye, and gently squeeze the bottle, ensuring that they are looking up with both eyes open. At this point, many individuals will flinch the moment the drops hit the eye, prompting you to raise the applicator back. Ask the person to wipe off any excess liquid, and you're done. Eye drops made easy with EziDrops. Check out EziDrops.com today.